So ano yung naging reaction ng nanay mo tapos ikaw the time nung malaman mo na ganun nga yung naging resulta ng pagsusulit na isagawa?
Sobrang saya po, like super, hindi ko ma-contain yung parang happiness ko during that time kasi parang after the boards, do talagang pinag-pray kong mag-top notcher ako, parang nagda-doubt pa rin ako kasi ang dami kong hindi sure during the exam, parang ang dami kong mali, ganun, parang like lesser na yung chance na mag-top notcher. From the beginning pa lang po talaga gusto ko nang mag-top notcher. Like, yun yung goal ko. I was, every time na nagpe-pray ako, parang hindi ko na pinagdadasal na pumasa ako. Ang pinagdadasal ko na lang mag-top notcher talaga. Tapos, during the review, always kong sinasabi sa mga friends ko, gusto ko mag-top notcher pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Like, wala talagang idea kasi like hindi ko naging ka-close yung past top notchers ng school namin, wala akong mapagtanungan kung paano. All I did was trust yung review center namin. Wala akong, if I have to look back, parang wala akong special na ginawa. Like, I did not even make my own notes. Hindi ko sinunod yung mga schedule ko na I plotted. All I did was read, 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 read. Tapos, discipline talaga. Like, I feel like kahit pagod ako noon, kung feeling ko hindi enough yung inaral ko for that day, mag-aaral at mag-aaral ako hanggang mapagod. Kahit ilang oras lang yung tulog ko, mag-aral at mag-aral at mag-aral talaga.
So during the process, especially nung review time, ano yung kumbaga pinakamalaking challenge na-encounter mo, lalo-lalo at talagang nag-aim ka pala, no? Na hindi lang makapasa, dapat maging top notch.
I think yung greatest challenge talaga yung pressure kasi napaka-vocal ko talaga about topping the boards. Like, wag tinatanong ko, gusto ko mag-top, gusto ko mag-top, gusto ko mag-top. And uh, talagang pinush ako nung pressure na yun. Parang yung pressure na yun, it was like for good. Hindi siya a bad thing for me. Pinush niya talaga akong i-aim yun, mag-focus for the top talaga. Walang any side quest. Walang settling for pasado lang. Talagang for top notcher.